Good morning. Hi, it's Maggie here, and I am sitting at my desk early in the morning. I have a full list of things I have to get accomplished today, but I wanted to do a quick little video about some of the thrifted outfits that I have worn this week. Yeah, so let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is this. Really comfy and super warm tunic top. And I'm sorry, I can't remember the brand name, but I think it might be Dress Barn. But I wore this particularly because I had signed my grandson and myself up for winter farm camp. And then when I woke up that morning and was getting dressed for said winter farm camp, hearing on the news that it was just above freezing out, I thought, what in the world was I thinking signing us up for winter farm camp? But I know what I was thinking. We went to fall farm camp and it was so much fun. So we dressed warmly. I wore this top. Like I said, it was like a velour fabric, super warm. And instead of wearing leggings that I normally would have worn, because normally when I'm full on top, I like to be slim on the bottom, I put these jeans on. They're straight leg jeans, White House Black Market, super comfortable, but I don't like the baggy look with with this. And in fact, I have those jeans on today, so I'll show you that picture next. Another what was I thinking photo. Now, I've been taking photos of myself every morning for several years, probably about probably 9 years, because I had a weight loss surgery 9 years ago, and it was shortly after that I started taking the pictures every day. And I find it super helpful because when I looked in the mirror at this, I thought this looks fine. It's nothing amazing. And now that I'm looking at it in a picture, no, the straight leg jeans look terrible on me. And I think the fact that I let my t-shirt peek out underneath this hoodie, which I love the hoodie, by the way. It's an Ankh Casuals, tie-dye, purple, my favorite color. But the fact that I let that strip of white peek out just accentuates, and I just think the shape of the jeans just, yeah, make my hips look even bigger. So these will be going in the donate pile after I take them off and wash them tonight. Yeah. But like I said, love the hoodie, and I will ditch the jeans. Oh, I'm drinking my tea this morning. I'm drinking pumpkin spice chai, which I know pumpkin spice season is over, but as long as I have the bags, I'm going to use them. And yeah, my Google mug. When I bought this mug, and I did buy it in a thrift store, my first thought was that book, Everything I Need to Know, I learned in kindergarten. I thought everything I need to know, I learned through Google. But then Google also learns about me from all the things I need to know for those ads. It puts all those things I search for, I guess, in its database. I often think that someday there's going to come a time when those ads will flash on the inside of your eyelids when you go to sleep at night. So the next thing I have to show you, I think I showed these pants in my thrift haul recently. They're Land's End. They're not quite as fitted as a legging, but they're the fabric is really of good quality. It's like a nice, super thick fabric, and they feel really good on. And I put them on with this. It's a Faded Glory animal print top. It's like one of those tops you could describe it as a sweater. It's that knit that feels like a sweater, but might not be a sweater. And I like the fact that it has a V-neck, the long sleeves. I like the length of it. And so this outfit is a keeper. I would definitely wear this, yeah, over and over again. So this next one, oh my gosh. So I think I told you before that I sing in an a cappella chorus, and we go to a regional competition in the spring. So right now we're gearing up for that regional competition. And one of the things we do is these full day coaching sessions where we have a coach come in. And so I knew I was going to be on the risers from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with just a break for lunch. And I also knew that the room was going to be chilly. And so that's why I wore this combination of this. This is a Chico's tunic that I bought years ago. Years ago. I just get so much wear out of it. You can't see it, but it has like the kangaroo pocket. It's comfortable, super comfortable. And then this is I don't know the brand. I want to say Athleta. It's a long athletic kind of, it's not long like a duster, but jacket. And it has pockets, it has the thumb holes. So I just needed to be warm and comfortable this day. And actually the room wasn't colder than I thought. I had wished that I had bought even something more to put on top. But all in all, a fun outfit on a fun day. It's not a super fancy outfit. It's definitely a comfort outfit, but I would wear it again. So one of the things I love to do in the winter time, or even in the summertime, because like I said, I'm always cold even in the air conditioning, is the layering. And I love these kind of jackets. This is like it's sort of like a shrug, but it's kind of slouchy. Unconstructed is unconstructed the word, and it just has the longer front that you could tie together. So it's easy to throw on over. The pants I have on here are a pair of Faded Glory boot cut. And when I bought them, I wasn't sure how I would like them. I've worn straight leg pants for so long, but I don't know if in my old age, not old age, my getting older, my hips are getting wide. I don't know, my shape is changing. So for me, the straight leg pants aren't looking good anymore. And so I tried these boot cut pants and I really do like the way they look. So I've worn them here with this, but I've worn this shrug thing with a dress. And it's looked really good. So this is a keeper. I don't know the brand of it. I'm sorry. Next time I do one of these videos, I'll try to take note of the brands. But the brands, honestly, for me, the brands don't matter. They're never a high-end brand. They're often like Faded Glory is a Walmart brand. It's for me, it's about what the clothes look like and the shape of them and how they look on me. So I would keep both of these pieces and I would wear them both together and separately in the future. Okay, now I found this hoodie. This is LuLaRoe. And I used to pick up a lot of LuLaRoe to resell it in my eBay store. But lately it hasn't been doing very well for me, so I haven't even really looked at it. But in the thrift store this day, somebody must have gotten rid of their whole collection because they were all my size hoodies. Not like the usual LuLaRoe t-shirts and dresses. This was a hoodie with again, it's a pullover with the kangaroo pocket in the front. And I also found at the same time a whole bunch of joggers in the same size. So it looked like somebody maybe was cleaning out their closet. And I bought like 10 of these colorful, happy looking hoodies. And this is the one I kept for myself. I really, really loved it. I wore it with these are actually the, I think these are the Land End pants again. But I think I would tend to wear them more with a tighter legging in the future. But yeah, this is a keeper. I've loved this. I've thrown it on, a dozen times since I've bought it. So keeper for sure. So that's all the few little things I have to show you. I feel like looking at what you're wearing and looking at how it looks on you is a good way. And especially when you're thrifting your clothing, you don't mind getting rid of the things that don't look good because you haven't spent a lot of money on them. So it's a good way to try different things. Try it. Now I tend to, like I said, I tend to put the thing on, and once I'm dressed for the day. I don't do photo shoots where I put on lots of different outfits and and photograph them at once. I put it on, I take a picture, I wear it for the day. If I don't like it, then yeah, I won't wear it again. But yeah. So let me know what you thought of what I wore, what you thought of the straight leg versus boot cut leg thing, and also what you would have ditched and what you would have kept. And just basically, do you like this kind of video, or are you about it? Thanks so much for watching. And remember, good things come to those who thrift.